Hey, good morning, everyone. It is time for another episode of SCOTD. That is Sign Carvers of the Day. That's where you guys send us pictures of your projects and we get to show them off for you. This is one of my favorite things to do. I get so inspired by these. Sometimes they're first-time sign carvers, sometimes you've been carving for years, but there's so many great ideas here for you to take, and maybe you can put your own spin on it. We're gonna start doing this a little bit more frequently because I got a stack. When you send me a picture, you need to wait at least 30 days before you send me another one because we receive so many. So this group is from December 22nd of 2023 through January 8th of 2024. So again, we're a few months behind. We're gonna try and do these a little more frequently so we can get caught up. So let's dive into this. First, we have Fred Sealer. I hope I'm saying that right, Fred. I apologize if I got it wrong. This is for his daughter who is an ice skater, and he made this for a raffle to raise money for their team. This is using our fatty font, and it came out terrific. So this has got hooks on it for kids to hang their ice skates. Great job, Fred. Looks great, buddy. Next, we have Steve Arnold, and this is his first sign that he's made with our router bits. So I think he used the 60 and the profile and maybe the 90, but it looks terrific. This is really a good niche, guys. This kind of veteran type of signs I think could be a big seller. Anyway, great job, Steve. Next, we have Randy Wardlaw. He's only been carving for a little while, and this is one of the stacked 3D type of lettering, which is really, it can be very complicated if you're not used to it. You did really well on this, Randy. Great job, buddy. Those are really complicated, and you did a terrific job for just starting out. Next, we have Mike Gallegos. This one, I really love this thing. This is Mike's third sign, and he's a veteran, so thank you, all of you vets, for your service to our country. This is a terrific sign. I love everything about it. I love the shape. He's really holding a terrific line on there. I love the image, the artwork. I love everything about it. He made this out of tongue and groove pine. Looks terrific, Mike. Keep it up, buddy. Next, we have Bill Ross. This is 7.5 by 24, and he made this for a dentist. The surfboards and the toothbrush is actually the logo of the dentist, and then it's got the latitude and longitude location of the office. So I think it's really, really clever. Well done on both images, the logo and the compass. Great job, Bill. Next, we have James Henry. So this is made out of cedar, and he's starting to do craft fairs, and this is the logo for his local high school team. Terrific job, James. You probably sell a lot of those, buddy. Next, we have Allan Lynch. This one is really, really neat. I love the image. You know, anytime you can make signs for pet owners or the pet industry, I think it's definitely a winner. And this is, I don't know how you got that image on there, but I absolutely love this, Alan. Great job, buddy. Next, we have Dennis Steiner, and this is hand painted with enamel, and I believe he used pine on this based on the picture. Terrific job, very nice done, and he put lots of coats of clear over the top of the enamel. Great job, Dennis. Next, we have Toby. I think Toby's a fairly new sign carver. Couple signs he did here. Nice little image you got there on Patty's place with some color in there. Terrific job, Toby. I hope you're having fun, man. Keep it up. Next, we have Tom Bedford. Tom's from the UK. Tom asked about hanging signs, and I shared the French cleat idea. And if you guys don't know what that is, French cleat is just something that makes it easy to hang and removable. And he does seasonal signs for his house. So a French cleat is a great way to do it because it's super easy just to swap them out. Great job on this, obviously a Christmas sign. Next, we have Stacy Bowen. This is his very first sign, and this is brings back memories. A paddle, a board of education. Great job on this, Stacy. I hope you're having fun, man. Keep it up, buddy. Next, we have Brad Dolin. I hope I'm saying that right, Brad. Brad has been in the sign making industry for 30 years, but he's never carved a freehand sign. So he was thinking about getting a CNC, and then he found our videos and this is actually his very first sign. So this is a great example, guys, of if you have experience in sign making, or your prior experiences coming into this can really serve you well. Whether you're a woodworker, whether you've done fine detailed stuff, it can really serve you well when you're get into freehand sign making. Terrific job on this, Brad. I imagine we're going to see some fantastic signs from you in the future, and this one is really, really cool. Obviously, great color. I just love everything about it. Terrific job, buddy. Next, we have Kim Oceanbine. Kim's been with us for years. This is a 16 by 22, an old cupboard oak door, and he used antique walnut stain to give the door some really nice contrast to the flag. Terrific job, Kim. Next, we have a very first sign by Alex Covington, and this one is one for his son, and he made signs for all of his kids, and this is his very first sign. So based on that, and that board doesn't look easy to carve. It looks pretty grainy. So you did a great job for your first sign, Alex. Hope you're having fun, man. Next, this one is amazing. Dennis Lauk. I think Dennis has been with us for a long time, and this one is just fantastic. I don't know exactly how he did his color here, but it looks terrific. Dennis, I love this thing. And this is another great niche. You could probably sell a lot of those. This is from Floyd H, our buddy down in the Phoenix area. So he's got 3 signs here, 2 clocks and a sign. The top one has got a 67 Chevelle. That warms my heart. I'm a nut for Chevelles. Did a butternut yellow color on the Chevelle, and then he used a liquid chrome paint for all the trim. It just looks fantastic. The second clock, the middle one there, is 10 by 10. Looks like a burrow on there. It looks great. And then a 16 by 9 Christmas sign out of blue pine. Terrific job, as always, Floyd. Next, we have Elizabeth Del Vecchio. This is an 8-foot long cedar board, live edge. Did this for a friend / customer as a commercial sign. Terrific job, Elizabeth. I absolutely love it. That cedar just looks so spectacular, and it looks like you're holding a really good line on there. Keep it up. Next, we have Israel Vigil, and this one is so cool. Found us and started carving signs, and I think this is one of Israel's first sign, and I love it. It's got a kind of an arrowhead and really rustic look to it. So cool. Looks really, really cool. I just love everything about that. I love that. Look, I don't know how he did the edge. It looks almost like he did it with a Sawzall. He didn't give me that detail, but it looks really, really cool. Just perfect for that arrowhead shape. This one is DJ Hickey. So DJ's been following us for about a year and had some friends that opened up a coffee shop and craft store. So these are 2-sided signs. The top one is 20 by 36. The bottom one is 9 by 36. Spar urethane and one-shot paint. Gosh, I can only imagine this is going to bring you some business. Great job. Absolutely beautiful job on these, DJ. Congratulations, man. You knocked it out of the park, buddy. This one is from our buddy Doug Sword, and it's obviously a collage of a lot of different ones. 4 of them are pro sports teams, 4 of them major universities, 4 local landmarks for the Kansas City area. Doug, as always, man, you just, and you look at some of the details on these, absolutely spectacular, man. You really got great control on that router. Looks fantastic. Keep it up. So there you go, guys. Again, that is December 22nd of 2023 through January 8th of 2024. If you guys sent me pictures, and it will be in the thumbnail and it'll be in the description, the date. So if you guys send me pictures, keep track of when you send them to me, and you can always go back and look at the SCOTDs on the thumbnail and know that your sign should be in that group. Anyway, guys, keep sending those pictures. We love doing these. We love showing off your work. We're seeing so many great designs and so much creativity. If you want to email me directly, Eric@makeawoodsign.com, or Ryan, Ryan at makeawoodsign.com, or just leave us a comment. If you want to see something in the future, us doing a project or something, absolutely just send us an email or shoot us a comment. Anyway, guys, we love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.